An update now as the Omicron variant of COVID arrives in Colorado. State health officials say wastewater testing shows a low level of community spread in Boulder County, where one case has been confirmed. There are probably more to come. However, the state's message on protecting yourself hasn't changed.
And so our recommendation to Boulder residents and to all Coloradans is to keep doing the things that you have been doing. Get vaccinated, get boosted, wear a mask.
Tonight, the only two confirmed cases of the Omicron variant in Colorado are in Boulder County and also Arapahoe County. The world, of course, is tracking Omicron closely. Here in Colorado, the health message is consistent. Get vaccinated. Now, there is a big effort to add more community vaccine clinics, but a staffing problem forced one to be canceled last weekend. Karen Morfo joining us now from Ball Arena, where a clinic was set for today. And Karen, that one didn't happen either.
No, it didn't, Jim, and there were no notifications sent out about why it didn't happen, which was frustrating for people who came here today trying to get vaccinated. Now, tonight, CDPHE says it was a scheduling error that kept that from happening, but those who were impacted today and this weekend say the lack of communication is their biggest concern.
The state added dozens of vaccine clinics with the hope of making it easier to get.
No signs and no bus.
Kevin Wood left Ball Arena with no booster shot. CDPHE's vaccine bus that was scheduled to be there wasn't.
My first reaction was aggravation, frustration. It was like, oh, come on. You know, at least if it's canceled, put up a sign.
And over the weekend, the state canceled an equity clinic they set up with Adelante Community Development in Commerce City.
The vaccine never came.
Maria Gonzalez, the director of that nonprofit, says despite attempts to bring in their own staff, CDPHE couldn't verify credentials in time to get those already lined up vaccinated.
We were telling them the vaccine should be here anytime. Thank you for coming. We'll get you as soon as we can.
The state says that bus at Ball Arena was simply a mistake on the schedule, and the governor says staff called in sick to the other clinic. He says with hundreds of events around the state, that's bound to happen.
What we're working on doing is developing a reserve of flexible workforce that if staff calls in sick for a particular site, we could then send in that staff.
Gonzalez says staffing issues are understandable, but the last-minute changes will impact trust in her community.
It's important to have communication.
Now, Adelante has had several successful clinics with the state, which is why this was so concerning to them with the communication angle. A spokesperson for CDPHE says that if a clinic is going to be canceled, that they're going to notify those who have registered, who have appointments ahead of time, and if it's going to be a walk-up clinic, to check their website ahead of time, and they should be able to update it. CDPHE did apologize for what happened here at Ball Arena today. We're live in Denver tonight. Karen Morfit covering Colorado First.